What's up guys, Daily Driven FB6 here, and today I'm going to be talking about my top 5 mods that I've done to my Honda Civic Si. So I've done a lot of mods to this vehicle already, but there are 5 that stand above the rest as the most impactful to the driving experience. So the mod that ranks number 5 on my list, I think, is going to be the CRV CarPlay head unit. So this modification, it literally only involves getting a 2013 Civic Si non-navigation bezel and a 2016 or 2015 Honda CRV 7-speaker head unit with a very specific part number. They're pretty difficult to find. I got lucky enough to find one on eBay that was reasonably priced, and I jumped on it. I've never personally owned a vehicle with CarPlay until now, and it makes a pretty big difference in what it's like to drive to, especially new places that I've never been before. I can very easily map to locations on here and being able to control everything without having to touch my phone or really do anything but just grab this is excellent. It creates such a seamless experience when navigating. So my 4th favorite mod, I think, is going to be my SRP Racing Pedals. The stock pedals are okay, but they have these little rubber nubs on them, so you really only get in contact with 20% of the pedal surface, which they were kind of slippery. They really were kind of slippery. They were slippery when it was wet and even a little bit when it was dry. And it was not confidence inspiring. So I looked for options, and this is kind of the only one that I could find online, but they're very good. They're fully CNC machined out of aluminum, and you have tons of different patterns and styles and colors that you can customize them with, and they're very easy to install. You just drill out the rivets and put the nuts and bolts in and you're good to go. So my 3rd favorite mod is going to be what you hear right now, the full race exhaust. 3 inches all the way from the header back, and it's so good. It's loud, but it's not super drony unless you're at like right where I was, 3,500 RPM. It gets a little drony there, and if you're like under heavy load, so you're climbing a hill, it can get a little loud. It's a very easy install. It works really well, and it definitely improves the driving experience. You can tell what RPM you're at, and people can hear you coming. You gotta have an exhaust when you modify a car. It's a must. Number 2 is hands down wheels and tires. Wheels and tires will always be one of the most influential modifications that you can do to a vehicle. Especially coming from a car with very heavy stock wheels and tires. 50 pounds is what the SI blades weighed on this car. Upgrading to 17x8 plus 35 RPF1s was a very welcome change. Changing directions feels so much snappier. The wheels, you can feel how much lighter they are. Each wheel is 13 pounds lighter by itself on each corner. Saving 13 pounds per corner has made an absolutely incredible difference, and I truly wasn't expecting it. But this is my first set of brand new wheels and tires to me. So by far, my favorite modification that has improved the driving experience of this car is my Acuity short shifter, and combination with the shift knob, so we'll call it a combination. So I have the 4-way adjustable full system from Acuity. It was about $420, I believe, when I purchased it, as well as a custom likewise shift knob from the Create Your Own series. In total, I spent about 550 bucks on this shifter setup right here, and I wouldn't change a thing. It has improved the driving experience of this car immensely. The core of this shift knob is made of Delrin, which is temperature resistant. It doesn't get cold in the winter and doesn't get absurdly hot in the summer. And the Acuity short shifter is completely adjustable in infinite ways, seemingly. You can adjust how far the gates are apart, you can adjust how far the throw is, and you can adjust the height as well as the angle of the upper arm. The possibilities are truly endless with an Acuity shifter. I know Hybrid Racing makes a very similar kit, and I believe they perform similarly well, but Acuity just kind of stuck out to me as the brand that's been doing it the longest. Yeah, those are my top 5 favorite mods that I've done to this car.